Well, came out here and found my compressor would not start. It just hummed, so I was thinking the capacitors were probably bad in it. And I've already taken this lid off it here. And it's kind of messy. Looks like a bunch of foam rubber in there. Used to be foam, I guess. Anyhow. And two capacitors. Which someone had soldered in just to make it a little more difficult. And they didn't really look that bad other than being really dirty and nasty, and this one had a little crack on the top, but they are bad. I checked them out. And I need to get rid of all this damn foam. So like foam rubber in there. And the wires were pretty bad, so I made some new jumper wires. And I made some pigtails here with some connectors, so rather than having them to be soldered on. And this is kind of a mess here. If it works, I'll blow it off, I guess. So these were, let's see, probably can't read it. They were 216 to 248 microfarads at 230 volts. I looked around and everybody wanted about $60 a piece for these plus shipping, but I found two on eBay for 25 bucks, shipping included. So I have ordered those. These were wired in parallel. So that makes the actual microfarads like 432, something like that. So we'll see if we can put this back together.